Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. And yes, I am wearing a tank top because finally we have some summery weather here in the Northeast. Praise be. If we could only get this weather into the weekend when a lot of us are off, that would be great. We do have some rain in the forecast for this weekend. We'll talk about that in a moment. It wouldn't be a weekend without rain in the forecast, quite honestly. So a mild start in the New York City metro. We're already in the 60s. You don't need a light jacket. It's going to warm up quickly. You just need to be dressed for a very warm afternoon. Highs are going to be in the mid 80s. It'll feel quite a bit cooler near any river or down by the Atlantic Ocean to New York Harbor. Of course, the water's still quite cold, so it's going to cool you off. 76 degrees and should be a very nice evening in the New York metro. One thing we got going on is there's still at least a little bit of that wildfire smoke from Canada. Wildfires have been burning there for quite some time, and that smoke's been working its way across the northern U.S., so air quality is down a little bit. It's in the moderate category, so if you're sensitive, maybe you have asthma or another respiratory illness, you may notice that bothering you a little bit. Probably best to stay inside with some filtered air. 88 today in Albany and Syracuse. I wouldn't be surprised if there are some bank thermometers or car thermometers reading 90, maybe just above that this afternoon. So a hot day, really, for the early part of June. We got cooler weather in Buffalo. Thankfully, that lake breeze kicks in. It makes it for a beautiful afternoon on a summer day, and today will be no exception. 90 over there in Columbus this afternoon, and temperatures will hold in the 60s. It's going to be a warm evening. We got some clouds coming in from the west, and clouds will lead to showers, I think, for tomorrow for parts of the Northeast. And it's because of this front here. That front has scattered showers and thunderstorms along it. So as we go into our Thursday, we'll see that moving across the Northeast from west to east. I don't think that a lot of those storms are going to make all the way to New York City, but we'll keep an eye out for those. I do think there's a good chance for Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse. You could all see some showers and storms for tomorrow. Here's our 7-day forecast. Going to keep our forecast in the New York metro dry tomorrow. Highs in the upper 80s, 85, and staying dry for Friday during the day. At night, there could be a passing shower, and then Saturday afternoon, especially Saturday evening, it looks like it could get rather stormy with a stronger cold front coming in from the west. So I'll keep an eye on that. This weekend is Governor's Ball at Flushing Meadow Park, and I think other than that disruption Saturday evening, it should be pretty good weather. In fact, Friday's going to be really warm, so just drink lots of water. Monday, a couple of scattered showers as some moisture comes back in on the backside of low pressure. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a terrific day and a great end to your week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.